Well, hello everybody. Um, as you saw by the title, I have been loving burgundy for fall, and I wondered if you have too. And I just wanted to show you a few things that I picked up for burgundy in the fall. So that's one of the things, because I don't have any lipstick on, I don't have any blush, because I'm going to show you. So I bought, now these were things I bought, this is not sponsored, so, but I bought the Merit's, it's called the Mini Flush Balm Trio. Now this would make a fabulous stocking stuffer or a gift for one of your girls, your girlfriends, your mother, whatever, if you like Merit products. I happen to love them. So this is actually the mini balms, which this is just a little bit smaller than the full size. But because of the variety of this, you're getting a really good deal, because it is actually, it would regularly be, hold on, $56, but it's $39. And this is how it comes, and I'm going to pull this out of here and show you. And I'm just going to swatch them real quick, and then I'm going to pick one to put on. So here they are. And the first one in here is called Stockholm. And Stockholm is called Baby Pink. Very, very baby pink. And so let's see what, let's see if we can show it on my arm here. I'm sitting here by the windows in a mirror. So I'm going to see if there's a baby pink. Now, Merit's products are very sheer because they're a minimalist brand. So there is the baby pink. I think that's going to be fabulous. Now, the next one I have in here is called Mood. And Mood is called a soft burgundy, which I'm thinking this may be what I use. And let me put it here next to it. It is definitely a little bit more pigmented. And it almost kind of goes with my nail polish. I have been wearing burgundy nail polish for the last couple of weeks, and I use a dip. So that's what this is. Now the last one is called Bespoke. It is a pink brown, and this one is actually brand new to the line, and it's a limited edition shade. And the whole set and these mini ones are limited edition as well. So there's that one. So you've got 3 different shades that would go fabulous with burgundy. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick up that middle one, which is the soft burgundy Mood. This one right here. And I've got a little brush, and I'm just going to, let me see. Oh, and have y'all noticed I got my hair cut? Can we have a moment for this? Lily did my hair yesterday, and I let her do what she wanted, and we cut it off. And I just said I wanted all of this off. And she took it from there. And she did low lights, brown, and then the highlights of the bleach that she did there. And she did quite a variety of it, so you can really see the dimension in it. So yeah, I'm excited. So, because it's, I tell you what, it's so much, I wanted something so easy. So here we're going to do, I'm just going to put this on my cheek right there. So I use that mirror. Now let me do this. I'm going to see if I can do this in the viewfinder. Now I actually have, because I was going to do this and I knew the burgundy thing, I did some burgundy eyeshadow. On top of, on the lid is actually one of the Merit eyeshadows that's right here. And it is called Studio, I think. Studio. Yeah. So there it is. All right, see, but it's very sheared. So I can actually, if I wanted to put just a touch more, I could. You can shear it out as much as you want. Now, some people say that it doesn't stay on them. I will actually go on and do a little bit of translucent powder and do a little bit of setting spray, or sometime maybe just a setting spray. But isn't that a lovely cheek color? So let me do this one here real quick. Now, it goes on so easy and effortlessly. Oh my goodness, isn't this gorgeous? So, all I had on, I did do a little bit of their bronzer in clay. So yeah. So there is that. So this set, like I said, is the whole set. If you get the whole set, is $39, and it's limited edition. Make a great gift. But what they have to complement it is the next set that I'm going to show you, which is, I'm sorry, I'm reaching over here. Let me pull it up. This set that it pick up is called the Dress Code, and it is limited edition, and it is a set of 3 lipsticks, and limited edition as well. I need to wipe this off my hand before I get it all over something, so let's do that. But it is regularly $78, but it is on sale right now for $58. So, and I will have links to these down below. I do not have a discount code, but I do have an affiliate link there. And they did not send this to me. These are ones that I purchased myself. So, let's look at these real quick, so I can dry that off. And let me pull up the colors. All right, so they're in the box very, very rough, but this makes a great gift as well too. So they're very strong in the box. Very strong. Stronger than I am. Oh my goodness. Maybe if I pull it out the other end. Okay. I am struggling with it. Okay, there it goes. And the other one. Wiggle it out. Okay. So the 3 of these, we have, let's see, the first one I've got in my hand is called Black Tie. And that is the signature lightweight matte lipstick. And Black Tie is a deep burgundy, and it's a limited edition shade. Can you see that? So let's put that on my hand here. Right there. Not too, it says deep, but you know, their shades are not that, it's still minimalistic. So there's that one. The next one is Bespoke. And Bespoke is the Signature Lip Lightweight Satin Lipstick. And it's a medium pink brown. So this would go great with that blush. That's the pink brown. Oh, this just looks beautiful. But you can see that there. I may have to do some pictures with all of them on there. And then the last one is called Du Jour. And it is the Signature Lip Lightweight Lip Blush. And it is in soft mauve. It's new limited edition shade and finish. So, but there it is. You can see how it is. So let's, oops. There it is. It's a pink brown, and then the burgundy. So we're going to go with the burgundy today, I think. So what I'm going to do, hold on, I'm going to take this off before I get it all over me again. So hold on just a second. All right, what I wanted to do, I wanted to put on a lip liner. And this is the Lancome. I've had this for a while, Mars 245. So I just put that on really quick. So let me get the lipstick that I want, which is, let me make sure, black tie, deep burgundy, black tie. And here's the packaging of it. So let's go ahead and put this on. Ooh, ooh. Just do the bottom lip. This is the matte lipstick. Okay. All right. This is bolder than what I was expecting, but it is matte, but it's still creamy. It's very dry. So tell me, I'm going to kind of get back out of your face here a little bit. So what do you think of the overall? Hair, burgundy, dark lips, dark nails. Am I sassy enough? So I have one more thing I want to show you in the color burgundy. Oh, in a minute. First, I want to show you. Pardon my craziness. I did get something else from there, and I was going to show it to you. Right here. It was another lipstick that I got that I wanted. They have. So this one is called Court, and it is another matte, but it's trying to figure the color out. Let's put it here. I'll go ahead. It almost reminds me of like a geranium. Kind of a peachy red. Does that make sense? Peachy red. But I think that's going to be beautiful. That's going to look gorgeous with olive green. You know how I love olive green. Okay, so there's that one. All right. Let's get this off. Okay, I'm going to pause you and I'm going to bring something out here. I'm not going to put it on because you'll see why in a second, but I'm going to show you something. Okay, so here it is. You can see it. This is by Banana Republic Factory. Okay, and I didn't know if you know it. If you're out thrifting and you see a coat or you see a label and it has like Banana Republic does these little stars, and because it doesn't say factory on the label, but if it has the stars, you know that it is the factory. So, but this beautiful wine wool top coat is in a petite. Now, it hasn't cracked, it's still in the 70s here in North Texas, so I mean, I'm still having sweat episodes. Ceiling fans are still on constantly, so needless to say, I can't put this sucker on right now. We're hoping next week we're going to be in the 50s for the high. So maybe, just maybe, I don't know. But I wanted to show this to you. It is like the double-breasted, and it is a petite, so it's just gorgeous. So I'll have to do a modeling of it for you and show you some different outfits with it later, but I just wanted to show it to you. And it is on sale right now. There are a few other, it's available in a few styles, few sizes in regular and petite only. But hey, you know, if it's something in your size, you might want to check it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. And remember, ladies, what I tell you? And I have to tell myself every day too. And sometimes it's hard, and I understand. But every day, get up and show up because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.